Welcome back to another episode of Get Out Fishing. We are down in Old Sparta, North Carolina. Today we are fishing on the Tar River. Went after some shad this weekend, and to be honest, it's been a little bit of a struggle. We'll tell you about it here in just a second.
Go up in the tree.
I had him, bro.
Sure
I
did.
had him.
Set that drag. Which one do you bite?
I think the back one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ho, 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 ho.
That was him.
Hello.
That was him.
Oh, that was a good hit. Oh, that was a good hit. I had me one. It's doing that crap again. Like it's hanging up. Oh, I see what it's doing.
On there.
No, I see what it's doing. It's hanging up around the... Oh, that's annoying. And yes, I might have too much line on there. But that's my signature move.
It's just what I do, Jim.
Like you've never put too much line on before?
No, never.
I like when it does the big shoestring thing that comes
Yeah.
out like it did when we were in Goldsboro. That's my
Exactly.
favorite part.
Mine
When
too.
you throw it and it comes out like a parachute.
Yep.
Lets me know I have enough line on there. I cast this direction, but it's going to be into the wind, and you know what's going to happen.
Yep.
But my brain so bad wants to cast that way. Try to carry us over there, or are you good? I got one.
Seriously?
I do, yeah. I do. He was right in behind there. Yep, I gotta get him up. This thing's acting up. This rod's acting up again, but I got... Oh, he popped the line. Oh my God. That was a big shad, dude. Did you see him jump?
Yeah.
Oh. He got in the stream down there, and when he went that direction, the line said, doink.
What size
Oh,
test do you have on there?
I don't know. I think it's 8. That was a nice shad.
That was a big one.
Holy crap.
Alright, so we just figured out something.
Yes?
Oh, I think that was a fish, and I think it just got off.
You sure?
Oh, no, it's on.
Yeah, all right, man. Oh, a crappie. Dang. What'd you catch him on? The jack slap?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
You throw out there with a darn jack slap and get a crappie.
Yeah. What kind of crap is that?
That is nuts, bro.
It's tied in
All
there,
right.
too.
Well, finally got the skunk out of the boat.
Oh, well.
There you go. Good stuff, man.
Heck yeah.
That's awesome.
Finally. That's the last thing I thought I'd catch up here.
I know, right? Well, I'm saying I don't know why the shad wouldn't hit it. What's that?
Hello, this is Jim.
Oh, I got him, Jim.
Hey man.
Ooh, it broke again.
Yeah, me and my buddy are out here on the Tarboro River doing a little fishing.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Come on, stay with me. That's a big Shad. It's a good size. Good catch! Yes! 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 Finally!
Dude, that's a
Oh, finally!
nice fish. He came off with it.
Yes! My net man came through. Oh my gosh.
That's hilarious.
Oh. Great catch, dude. I told you they'd hit one of those.
That's a pretty good net job, huh? Alright, so let's see here. Let me get a photo. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
There you go. Dude, that's awesome.
Yes.
That's a nice one, bro.
About time. That was a heck of a net job, man. All right.
See how quick I wasn't tired no more?
So what I was saying, this is our first time we've ever done any shad fishing in eastern North Carolina. It's been a learning experience today for sure. We've been fishing with some chartreuse colored curly tail grubs. That seems to be what they've been hitting on the most today. They have some silver flecks in them. Seems to be working well. And then the one I caught just a little while ago was on a jack slap. So thanks for tuning in to Get Out Fishing. We will catch you next time. Until then, take every opportunity you can to get out fishing.